Get this lens if you want a lightweight zoom for everyday Canon RF shooting. This is the Canon RF 24-50mm f4.5-6.3, a compact standard zoom made for beginners and casual photographers. Space for travel, street photography, daily snapshots, and as a starter lens for anyone new to the Canon mirrorless system. The 24-50mm range gives you a wide to normal perspective, perfect for group shots, city scenes, and simple portraits. It includes optical image stabilization for smoother handheld shots and video. The STM autofocus is quiet and smooth, making it a solid pick for video as well. It's super compact and lightweight, great for travel or tossing in a small bag. But keep in mind the variable aperture limits low light use and background blur, and the zoom range is a bit shorter than typical kit lenses. Get this lens if you want a compact everyday zoom for Canon RF cameras that's easy to carry, and it's definitely worth considering.